Hello everyone, today we have got VeagleFly Shiatsu Neck and Back Massager with heat to use at home, office and car. I bought it in $50 from Amazon, so I will link in the description below. If you want to buy, you can buy from Amazon. So package included one neck and shoulder massager, one operating manual, one collecting bag for charger, one power charger and one charger for car. Nice and soft ergonomic design fit perfectly the contours of different body parts. This neck and shoulder massager comes with 8 nodes. It helps relieve sore muscles and helps you relax. It has 3 adjustable intensities to customize your own massaging style. This massager also provides soothing heat that delivers a warm and relaxing massage. This is a bi-directional massager. It automatically changes direction each minute to get to all of your sore muscles. It will shut off when overheat and after 15 to 20 minutes work. At the end, I want to share some important tips about this massager. The neck and shoulder massager is not cordless. Use a dry cloth with water or detergent to wipe the dirty area of the massager. And there are some safety cautions. Do not use on head and chest. Do not attempt to repair this massager. Do not use with other heating appliances. Do not use the Shiatsu massager when it is wet. Do not apply excessive force or weight over unit. Do not use while sleeping or during after alcohol consumption. Thank you so much for watching our review. If you guys like it, share your feedback and have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.